Hi there! My name is Taebyn. I'm a part, and welcome to another edition of Cooking with Taebyn. Today, I want to help us learn how to do something very important if, on a hot day or something like that, or you're just hanging out on the town in the evening and you want something cool and refreshing. And to do these things, you usually need ice. So today, I want to help us learn how to make some ice. What you need posies, ice posies, and you need an ice tray. It's a tray for ice. Who would have thunk it, right? I mean, what's going on with these people? But, so you take your ice tray, and if you remember from one of my earlier cookings, we did this thing about water and pouring water. At that time, I had my little puppy bowl. This time, we're going to do the exact same thing, but put it into the ice tray. Now this can be a little difficult sometimes because, let me show you, if you get a close-up here, you've got all these little hole thingies, and you need to fill them all up with the water. You remember from my other video, you want to turn it on. On. This, I guess this means on. So we'll do that here again. And because of all the little holy thingies, you don't want to do too much at first. So, I guess too much. That's scary. You want to go slower. About like that. You know, something nice and mellow. And then, take your ice tray thingy, and you want to get them in all the little hole thingies. So you go, kind of like that. And try not to get posies too wet. Little wet is okay. And then you want to make sure to turn it off, or else, well, let me do that before, then I'll explain. Off. Okay, now I explain. If you don't turn it off, the next day you'll probably get a little tag thingy on your door that says, hey, you're using too much water, and we're the water company, and you're spending too much money, or something like that. You don't want that. So turn it off. Once you have it, it's not ice yet. I know. You want it to be, but it's not. You need a freezer. Freezer. And you open it up. Like that. And then you take your, it's not ice yet, remember, your ice tray that has water in it. And carefully, oh so carefully, put it in. Like that, and then close the freezer. Close. And then we wait. How long does it take for ice to freeze? Question mark. That long? Oh my pup. Oh, so long. So long. Jacob, it's so long. TV. Oh, and this is Cuppy. Hi, how's it going, It's ready! And it's done! How exciting! Yay! So now we can take it out and use it. And how you get it out, you can't do it here. You have to open first. Open. There it is waiting for us. Look, it doesn't splash around and all that stuff. Then close. And then, so to get, see, it's ice. What you have to do is you have to crack it to get it out. It makes a little crack. You just go back and forth pauses. And then, when you're ready to use it, it's it's done. So I hope you've learned a lot today, and I know I have, and I've enjoyed explaining all this to you. So I'll see you next time on Cooking with Taebyn. What's up? Cooking, you want to turn it on.
Cut.
Give me a second. So pop.